out the know, straight out the know. On having the sauce, devoting the law. Pop out in New York, got chrome on the crosses, ain't taking no loss. They lied, I'm really the boss. They lied. 2 times I
get that wrong every time. What a beautiful Tampa Bay morning, bro. Vlog day, baby. It's vlog day. And today, you guys, we got a packed motherfucking day. We're gonna go to the gym. We're gonna go to a cigar festival, the Heritage Festival. It's like one of the biggest festivals in Tampa. And if you guys don't know, the #1 capital cigar of the world, the cigar capital, place of the world is actually Tampa Bay, Florida. So I'm gonna go show you guys around that. I went there the other day. It was pretty cool. We're gonna go experience it again and show you guys and document it. And we're also gonna go to SuitSupply and get fitted up and just get like a fuck ton of clothes. That way I don't have to buy clothes ever again. So I'll bring you guys through that. We're gonna go to the gym and just so much more. So stay tuned. And if you guys don't know who I am, should have actually opened up with this, but my name is Torsten Roscoe and I am a full-time content creator, entrepreneur, creative editor, you would call it. I just sell full-time digital assets online for short-form video editors. So if you wanna edit fast and edit exactly like me, my entire YouTube channel is exactly for that. I teach you exactly how to edit short-form videos, high-quality videos that people will pay high-paying clients for you, and it's super easy to edit using my systems that I teach you guys. So without further ado, I actually am gonna go get a haircut right now, so that's what we're gonna go do. So let's go do this shit, bro. The new video that's gonna be dropping soon.
Secrets that make your videos look like you spent hours on them.
Yes, sir.
And once you know them, oh my God.
He absolutely killed that. So shout out to my editor. I'm not gonna say his name because I'm gatekeeping him. So, all right, let's go get a haircut and get cleaned up. We're gonna see what my boy can do. Did a really good job last time and just give me like a trim. I think that's what I'm gonna get this time. And man, I'm so glad that I moved down here. It's been such a blessing. It's literally December. Where I come from, it's literally snowing right now. And I'm walking around t-shirt, shorts, and get to experience this beautiful nature. It's crazy what 1 year could completely change your life to. You can do it, bro. You can do it. I did it. I'm literally living proof of it. I know all my friends here have done it, so you can do it. It's so achievable. Everything is achievable if you just put your mind to it and you believe in yourself. Who else is gonna believe in yourself? You are your #1 fan. You're the only person ever that's gonna be watching your entire movie from start to finish and documenting everything and remembering everything. You're gonna be the only person that's sitting in your own movie theater, watching your own movie and clapping and applauding. No one else is gonna be there for you, so you got it. How you doing, my boy?
Good to see you again.
Good to see you, bro. I'm like, man, he did such a great job last time. I'm like, I need him again.
You do a lot of photography, right?
Nah, I don't do photography. I just vlog sometimes.
Oh, really?
Not like crazy or anything, but just to document the journey. After this, I'm gonna go to SuitSupply.
Today?
Yeah. Try to buy everything at like once, and I don't never really have to go shop for tailored shit again, you know what I mean? We did like a nice fade last time, but it was like shorter right here, and then it progressively got longer. And you're moving from Apollo Beach, or you're moving to it?
From Apollo Beach.
Okay. Why are you moving? Dude, we are cooking. We look good, clean, my boy. Joe right there cleaned us up. Sadly, it's raining outside right now, so I don't know if you guys can see it. But it's raining. So I'm gonna have to cut it and keep the camera in the bag. And I will see you guys at, in my car, actually, so I'll see you there. All right, I actually just stopped at my boy's Chad's place. You wanna say hi, Chad?
What up, gang?
Hook me up with some meal prep. About to buy this stuff. If you guys need meal prepping, like actually good tasting food, these are really good, bro. If you want healthy, fast food that actually super great in like the air fryer or in the microwave, hit this stuff up. It's really good, healthy, super easy.
still stepping like Omega Psi 5 for mine. If being real was a crime, I'd be doing life. Like that nigga not nice, I don't know polite.
Me and Chad did a podcast together, so That's coming out soon, bro.
What's the story on that?
What do you mean by the story on that?
Like, what's the ETA on that? We don't know.
I don't know exactly yet. My editor is like cooking up all different type of other videos for me, but I told him to just take his time because that intro that I'm looking for is like it needs to be super edited and really good. So it's gonna take a little time, but I think it'll definitely be coming out in like at least by the end of this month. All right. All right, bro. I'll catch you later. Thanks, bro. Appreciate you, my man. All right, got everything on. Before we actually go and get a privacy screen on my brand new iPhone, and after that, we're gonna go to SuitSupply and get suited up. First, I'm gonna get a meal. We're actually gonna do. This says really low fat, good high protein and carb. I think we're gonna do this one. The stuff that Chad hooked us up. So here we get stuff falling.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears before they fall. When I'm thinking about you, oh no, I've been thinking about you.
We made it, boys. We made it. I'm back. Gotta find that screen protector. This is the privacy screen, baby. So y'all can't steal my secrets. All right, we just got our phone privacy thing on, so you guys can't look at, you guys can't steal all my secrets. Now, let's go and get fitted up to that SuitSupply. Bro, look at this lovely ass neighborhood that's right next to the SuitSupply. It's like a cool ass like outside strip mall where the SuitSupply is. We're gonna go to like literally it's like right around the corner. It's such a nice family home. When I was driving here, I didn't get it on record, but I saw 3 little children outside running in the rain. They got garbage bags over them so then they don't get wet. Like, yeah, that is awesome, bro. I remember meeting that little and doing that too. All right, let's go get fitted up. Hi. Good.
You need a specific scenery.
Scenery? What do you mean by that?
Like we need to set the camera up in a specific way.
Oh, probably just have me stand right here and I'll have it like tilted. I should have grabbed my. Yeah. I'm like, fuck. Where can I put this and stuff? All right.
We're not home right now.
All right. I like
You gonna
that.
stay with the sweater on?
No, I'll take it off.
This is gonna help me.
Same city, same hoes, can't move south.
Water.
At the south, it's 4 a.m. What you that way?
All right, thank you. Bro, I love what they do in here. They make you feel like you're at home. He literally said that. He's like, put your shit down. We're gonna be at home for a little bit. And I love it. We're gonna look so clean. I've been wanting to do this for so long. Ooh, those are clean, bro. I don't have any, so I've been wearing either no socks or I got like white socks or gray socks that look at it. It's just like, you know what I mean? It's just like, yeah.
A little stressed, a little less gas. They're looking from afar, but they ain't.
In my head, I already had you 1,000 times. Made me work harder the most. See, I don't mind. For you even realized that you were mine. Your skin been glowing lately.
They are cooking me up. Look at this. Woo. Yes, sir. That is what I'm talking about. Goddamn. All right, I'm gonna turn this off because I can tell that my camera's about to overheat. All right, we got a bunch of stuff at SuitSupply. I got like 3 suits and a bunch of other, like a pair of shoes and just a bunch of other things. And because it's literally like 6 o'clock, I didn't think I was gonna be there for that long, but I was in there for a long time. They were cooking me up and look clean as fuck now. Because of that, I don't think I'm gonna go get a cigar tonight, and we're gonna go hit the gym. And after the gym, post a YouTube video and get some dinner or call it a night. So I'll see you at the gym.
Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The earrings are real, the petty is real. Might charge my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Letitia, or Linda Felicia. She came for me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter, was made in Geneva.
thunderstorming out. Look at this shit. It's going crazy, man. Crazy. Let's see if we can get some thunderstorm lightning. Maybe. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe, maybe not. Nope. There was just a bright one. Oh. Nope. Oh. No. Oh. Nah. Thought I was gonna get him. Thought I was gonna catch him lacking. I was gonna catch the lightning lacking. I'm just me, man. I'm just me. But this is what I'm cooking for tonight. Some pasta. Some pasta. How do you say? No, that's like Russian. That's not definitely, that's not how you. I'm just me, man. I'm just me. But this is what I'm cooking for tonight. Some pasta. Some pasta. How do you say? No, that's like Russian. That's not definitely, that's not how you Italians say it. But I'm gonna cook some up of that, and that's gonna be for the rest of the night. It's raining out. I was gonna go smoke a cigar, but it's raining out, and I don't really feel like getting wet. But we picked out a bunch of shit from SuitSupply. We got a lot of suits. I gotta go pick those up on like Thursday, I think he said, because they gotta tailor them. But dude, literally, I just got a bunch of shit. Upgraded the wardrobe. We got some new sweaters, new shoes, a belt, and a bunch of suits. And I got some, like a bunch of, I got 3 suits, pants, everything, man. Oh, I didn't even think about it. Didn't even get any ties, but well, we'll see. We'll see when I come back. I gotta ask him about that. But I think those suits that I was buying you were not supposed to wear ties. I don't honestly know. We'll figure out when I get there. But before I go, I know I didn't really talk very much in this vlog about what I do or anything like that, but you can just kind of tell by my lifestyle that, not every guy is gonna go to SuitSupply and buy a fucking fuck ton of suits, or, live in Tampa and everything by himself at 21 years old. So summarize it really quick. What I'm trying to say is, bro, just build a business like I have, where you can work from anywhere, online business, and it'll change your life exactly like mine. And you can fucking do it. People out there telling you, they've tried. I've met so many people down here that said they have tried and drop shipping doesn't work. It fucking works, dude. I'm not kidding you. This shit works. You just gotta make it work. They didn't make it work. They didn't market the product. Like, I can tell you right now, the only thing that stopped those guys from actually making money is just marketing. That's why I didn't become successful in dropshipping, is because I didn't know how to market a product. I thought you would just make a website and then you would make money. No, you have to market. This is a little tangent, but to summarize this even further, I'm just letting you guys know that you can fucking do it. You can go and ball out and buy a fuck ton of SuitSupply. I'm not crazy rich yet, but I'm definitely not, poor or broke like I used to be. I used to drive forklifts for a living, and I literally hated my life. And now I get to live in the exact state that I want, in the exact location that I wanted. Go out on my balcony and smoke a cigar and talk to my new friends that all own businesses. Like, this life is so achievable, and if everyone in your life says that it's not, or that it's a pipe dream, fuck them, you can do it, because I did it. And I had those exact same people hit me up after I did all this, and now they want to be friends with me again. Crazy how that works. So you can do it, bro. I'm not fucking joking. It's achievable. There's so many people that have achieved it. Don't worry about your competitors. Don't worry about people stealing, your ideas or anything, because, bro, we're all in the game. We're all playing the game. Trust me, there's enough money for every single person, and not a single human being is gonna hog it all. Because there's just so many people out there. There's so much money out there that it's practically impossible to have all of it to yourself, or have the entire, your audience that you're targeting for your business to yourself. To your competitors, like, they have them all, or you get it all. It's not how it works. All right. My arm's getting tired. I gotta switch over, but I'm gonna fuck up some pasta and call it a night. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.